Many of our customers wonder whether they should get safety glasses with a prescription lens insert. At RX Safety, we offer 4 models that effectively use lens inserts, making them super versatile and super affordable. Starting off strong, we have the Geardo Kit, also known as the PSG 21504. This is our most versatile package, coming in 4 distinct lens colors and a lightweight frame. This model is perfect for industrial work or outdoor activities, like sports or at the shooting range. It's also available with an IR 3.0 lens, for those of you out there doing any welding or torch work. Our next frame is a new one in our lineup with a fashionable design. The RX 21509 prescription safety glasses combine comfort, style, and safety with the same lens insert as the Geardo. This means you can swap your prescription insert between the two, opening up the opportunity for even more versatility. The frame sports rubberized nose pads and temple bars, and it's super lightweight, making it perfect for everyday use. Last but not least, we have our 2 goggle-style glasses, the RX GP04 and the PDX, perfect for motorcycle riding, work, or outdoor activities. In addition to their ANSI Z87.1 rating, these goggles are also D3 liquid splash resistant due to their foam gaskets. If you can't find any goggles that will cover your prescription glasses, consider getting a pair of goggles that come with an RX insert. It's important to remember that for all of these models, both the frame and the insert are replaceable. If your frame gets damaged or your prescription changes, you can always replace one of the other instead of getting a whole new pair of glasses, which makes safety glasses with prescription inserts an economical choice. To learn more about our glasses with prescription inserts or many other brands that we have to offer, you can find us on our website at rx-safety.com.